Alright. Today's project. Let's see. Yeah, you can see that. So it is a Honda powered Karcher pressure washer. Model G2600 Victor Hotel. Now, the only thing I know about this is it was left out in the rain because I found it at work abandoned. It sat there for a couple days and nobody took it, so it came home with me. Let's check the gas. The gas tank is empty. It has oil. That's probably more than I did with it when I checked it the very first day. Let's see. Got compression. Was pretty sure about that. It even has the fuel was turned off. Very nice. Let's check the air filter. Yeah, it looks like it got a little bit of water in there, but let's bring her around. So it doesn't look too bad at all. I'll leave that for now. Alright. I did notice that the chemical tank is fairly full. Let's see. Thing I do want to do is I want to take off the pump before we try to get the motor running, because I don't want to run the pump dry in case the pump works. I don't want to accidentally blow it up. So let me see what it is. Looks like it's some Allen's. So the pump doesn't look broken. Wonder if we take those off. Because I bet that's the... Yep, let's see what kind of Allen that is. So I want to see if we can get her running. If we can, it'd be really cool if the pump was still good. First try. Oh no! Oh no! Felice and Schmoo! I don't think I wanted to do that. Big old pile of oil.
So I disassembled the motor, or the pump. Didn't get it disassembled from the motor. This doesn't go on easier than it comes off. I may never put it back on.
Alright, not sure when it stopped recording. Took the detergent tank off because it was making it impossible to get to this last one. So I had 3 off, remove the detergent tank on number 4. Alright, should come off. Of course she doesn't come off. Alright, she's moving. Where's my little pry bar? There we go. Right in the oil. Alright. Alright. Well, there's that. That's out of the way. Now we can play with the motor. That was far from anything fun. Aside from stealing all the oil out of it, pump looks good. I don't see any cracks anywhere, which is usually the failure point for them, so. Let's look it over. So it is a Karcher. I didn't see any cracks anywhere in the casing. And she turns over just fine. She's keyed. Yeah, you can see the key down there. Yep. So she's keyed. Slides onto the shaft of the motor. So yeah. Focus. There we go. Doesn't look great. Not horrible. Definitely sat out in some weather. See the rust on it. But we'll see if that matters for the spark. Wonder. Let's see. Turn on. Oh yeah. She got a spark. See if you can see that. Come on, slow. It's hard to see on the TV, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's got pretty good spark. I do not have a little gasoline spray bottle like Musty. I need to get one. Just a dribble. Now let's see. All right. What do you guys think? Little spot spotter. All right. Let's go. All right. That gives me enough positivity. Now it's time to dive in. See what we can see on the carburetor. Get that thing out. Too long and a short carb. Alright. either. That's gonna be a 10 mil too. Ooh. All right. Carbs. Let's see. Everything looks real nice up there. Not too bad. Just a little bit of varnish down there. So not too bad. All right. Top side looks pretty good. The needle looks pretty good. Still got its little rubber tip. Pretty bummed. Jack that up, and I'm gonna need a gasket now. All right, so carb needs cleaned. Well, now that I made a complete mess, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night for this. Set everything aside. See if we can get the carb kit for the Keihin, Keihin, with a star in the middle of it. Or maybe it's a Kythin because there's a T down at the bottom. Yeah, you can kind of see it there. I don't think there's anything really wrong with this one. Probably just needs cleaned a little bit. And then I'm going to need to I wonder if that's the molecular makeup of this, or if that's the part number for this. Cu, what is that? Copper, zinc, 40 PO2. I bet that's the chemical makeup. But not to see what this pump is and what lube I'm supposed to have in it, since, you know, I poured it all over the floor. Let's go ahead and open this up while we're here. What did I have? So it was the 1/2 inch. And it opened all but one of them. Show me your secrets. Okay, so it stopped while I was disassembling, but so I got it apart, and it seems to be a pretty common thing. It's a offset disc. It's on like a camber, or I guess a cam, right? Yeah, I see how the top half is a little bit deeper in there. Yeah, about like that. Yeah. And just 3 pistons. And that cam rides over all 3. Presses them down, creating pressure. Alright. Carburetor out. Got a little gasket kit. So, let's see if we can get this back together. Go lay down, Roscoe. Go on. Go outside. Go. I know, buddy. It's not what you want to hear. No, go. Out. Go. 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 Get on. Alright. 1,014 distractions. Alright, so it looks like that's supposed to go right there. So that is the right piece for that. Yeah. It's got the same outline as the old one. Perfect. Alright. That was chaos. I'm not a fan of these carburetors. Man, I sure hope I put it all back together right. I don't ever want to take it off again. Alright. Clean the carb. New gaskets. New oil, accidentally, because why not disassemble the pump accidentally? And then, haven't changed the oil yet. The oil didn't look bad. See if you can see it. Come on, focus. It's got a little color to it. There we go. A little color to it, but pretty clean, so we'll let that ride for now. So, I think we're ready to throw some gas in it. See if she lights off. See if I got lucky on this freebie or not. Just do a little bit. Garage door is open, so I'm not gonna, be killing myself for nothing. All right. Why is that doing that? Well, I don't want that. I gotta figure out what's up with this choke, and I can't see anything because it's got a protective lip on the back of this thing. Because God forbid anybody see the back of this carburetor. Sure. Now we need to move both grommets up. I think I've almost got it. Stupid. Routing of this thing is ridiculous. Hope that thing's still good. I have abused it. All right. Let's tighten this all up. See if it'll run. Then we'll talk about putting the pump back on. Give her a good pressure washing. Alright. So we are choked. Get your fuels on. See if she fires off. Okay. Wonder if I've got that on the wrong hole as well. Alrighty. Well, I found my first issue. It looks like the connector where you thread the hose up is stripped, or the threads are messed up. I can't really screw the hose on, so we're gonna see if it works like this. I'll probably strip the other one for the same part if it doesn't work, and then try it then, but I think we'll get some pressure out of it at least, and see that the pump works and see if it runs better that way. Give it a go. Hey guys, turn the gas on. figure out that water supply. It's not getting enough water, but pressure washer's hitting. The pump works. Took off some of the stickers. She looks a lot better though. Minus the fact that stickers are missing, but who needs them? It's got the real one right there that says Karcher and the model number. That's all you really need, right? So yeah, we're just gonna have to figure out that fitting down at the bottom and should be good to go. Alright. Come on, focus on it. So there is no start. Somebody cross-threaded it, ripped it out, and jacked it all up. I don't know how easy it's going to be to tell from this video, but this is the failure mode, why they got rid of it. This side's still good. Yeah, see, there's the start right there. Good threads all the way back in. I just got to find another one of these that's got good threads. We'll see if I can find that today. Tomorrow, that's going up. All right, back on this. It's a little bit later. Had to run to the store to go get the part, but water is on, full supply. Got me a new hose fitting for $5. No leaky leak. And let's see how she does. See if the pressure's better, see if the motor runs better, all that jazz. Let's see if we can get a little more level. All right. Well, dang it. Still need some adjusting. I'm gonna have to figure out if it's a carb issue. You notice the pressure didn't want to kick on sometimes when it was at the too high of an idle. I don't know where that situation is. I'm gonna have to do some research on this and see if we can do something better. Motor runs. Pump works. It doesn't all work together like it should, but it's definitely a good start. Just have to do some research and see what I can figure out, but it's where this part's going to end, and we'll see what goes from there. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. So, pressure washer didn't end up how I wanted it to. Didn't get everything operating at peak performance, so there's still some work to do on this. I hope to come back to it, do a follow-up video, a finished video, whenever I figure out what it is. Is it a jet issue? Is it a governor issue? I don't know. I'll have to dive into it a little bit. I'll try to record and get a follow-up and finish for you guys, but sadly it didn't end how I wanted it to. Ran out of time to work on that and had all the other projects coming up. As you can tell, I recorded that before we even built the tent garage. So yeah, that came priority, and now I'm working on moving stuff from one to the other and trying to organize. It's not a lot of decent content, so I haven't really been recording much of it, trying to make my workshop more functional, get rid of all the extra fluff that's in there and make room for projects. My goal is to have a little station for carburetors where I have the ultrasonic cleaner, and then a big, not a big table, but a clean area to disassemble and reassemble carbs, so I can do like overhead shots so you can actually see what I'm working on instead of looking at the side of it while I'm tinkering. So I got that in the works. I'm gonna have an actual decent sized area to work on stuff once I get a couple of these shelves moved out. And one day I hope to have a lift table so I can work on stuff and not be sitting on the floor on a bucket. And it'll be easier to get you guys like a line of sight view because it'll be up a little bit higher. So kind of like Musty, you know, one day. That's kind of what I've been working on. Making some progress, but not quite there yet. Hoping to keep continuing to put stuff out. Like I said, it's not going to be an every week thing yet. I'll have to get caught up and get ahead to be able to do that. So this video was a struggle. I was not thrilled with certain things I recorded. I wasn't happy with the outcome, but you know, it's real life. It's not going to work out every time. So I'll show you my failures and my successes. Anyways, guys, that's all I got for today. Thanks for hanging out. Throw me some comments if you think you know what's wrong with it. If it's the jet, the governor, something else I'm not thinking of, I don't know. Anyways, I appreciate the support and you guys hanging out. Give me some feedback. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, what I can do better, and I'll try to do that. Thanks, guys.
Oh no! Oh no! Leash and Shmoo! I don't think I wanted to do that. Well, that was not the one to take out. Dang it.